Today I'm going to show you how to use the Smart Response System in Smart Notebook 16.1. So open up Smart Notebook and you will see the yellow check. Click on that. And now you see a place to add a title. So give your quiz a title. The instructions are optional, but you can write them here. And we're going to click Next. So you're going to see some sections right here. The first one says Add Question. I'm going to click here. It might be a good idea to have a bank of questions in a document, or you can pull a star release test and copy and paste directly from there. So here you're going to enter your question, and I copied from a star release, and so I'm just going to paste it here. You can provide an image here, so you can use your snipping tool and maybe draw or snip a portion of a passage that, or a graphic or something that you want them to use to answer the question. And then you can put your answers here. So you have a choice of a multiple choice question or a short answer question. I'm going to choose multiple choice. So I pasted some answers in here. Again, I had some questions. I had a star release pulled up, and I'm just copying and pasting. And then I need to select which answer is correct. And once you do that, you'll notice that where it says answers and opinion, that is unchecked. So there's my correct answer. I can add another question, or I can click done. When I add another question, I have the option to enter the question. I can change the question to a short answer. If I want to ask a question and have the student leave me a short answer, I can. I'm going to pop that back down to multiple choice. Again, I can paste answers, question, choose the correct one. When I am done, I can select done. And you will see the questions here. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one that I did not use. If you need to go back and edit that question, you click the pencil. If you want to get rid of it, you click the X. Now, the really cool thing is if you create a bunch of questions, you can save those questions for a later date. You can give that a name. I'm going to click OK. It saved my list. Now, if I create another quiz, I can add from a list, and then you will see the lists appear here where I can add my questions. When you are completely finished, click Finish. When the quiz is all ready to go, this will appear. Students can log on to classlab.com, enter the number that you see there, and when you are ready, you click Start the Activity. It says another activity is running. I'm just going to go ahead and start the activity. Now the students have the opportunity to come in to classlab.com and start answering the questions. Once they are finished answering, you can click End. And you're going to see that how they answered the questions. You have the option here, let me scroll down, of exporting the results. When you click export the results, it saves it for you, and you can pull it up in a Excel document, and it tells you what students answered what questions correctly and incorrectly, so you can get a gauge of where your class is, use it for formative assessment. The really neat thing is when you are done, you can totally end the review. If you want to remove students from your list, so maybe you have first period come in, you want to remove them so second period can show up here in the list, you simply click Remove Students, you remove, and then you can restart the activity.